Hey there, my name is Cassie Dawson, Nurse Navigator at Denary Cancer Care Center, and welcome to Columbus Regional Healthcare's Cancer Connections. Cancer Connections is an educational cancer awareness series where we cover side effects, risk factors, and screenings for cancers you may be at risk for. So come on and join me for this month's episode. March is Colon Cancer Awareness Month. About 107,000 people will be diagnosed this year. For men, that's about 1 in every 23, and for women, that's about 1 in every 25. Recent research has showed that there is an increase in colon cancer in the younger generation. Risk factors for colon cancer include being overweight or obese, lack of physical activity, diet that is high in red meats or meats that are cooked at really high temperatures, low vitamin D levels, smoking, inflammatory bowel disease, alcohol use, a history of polyps, a family history of colon cancer, and type 2 diabetes. Some of these risk factors cannot be changed, so that's why prevention and screenings are so important. Screenings for colon cancer include stool samples and colonoscopies. Signs and symptoms of colon cancer would be a change in bowel habits, the feeling to have a bowel movement after you've already had one, rectal bleeding, which would be bright red blood, blood in the stool, which would appear as dark brown or black, cramping or abdominal pain, weakness and fatigue, and unintentional weight loss. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, please schedule a follow-up with your primary care provider or surgeon so you can get a screening done. This is what your colon would look like. We talked about risk factors being a history of polyps. So this is what a polyp would look like. It's a little red bulge inside of the intestine, which would be seen on a colonoscopy done by your surgeon. And then we have a stage 1 cancer, which would be typically pretty small. And then we see the increasing in size with a stage 2, and then your stage 3 and 4, which would actually be traveling outside of the colon. Join our staff at Columbus Regional Healthcare and Denary Cancer Care Center on the third Wednesday of this month and wear dark blue for colon cancer awareness. Snap a picture for your social media and use hashtag CRHS Cancer Connections.